everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to our Sunday Reset video, hosted by Sunny in the Suburbs. We'll have her channel link in the description box below, so please check her out. She's awesome. And don't forget to check out the playlist, which will also have links to that in the description box below as well. All those amazing videos and motivation and inspiration. So if you're ready, let's get started. you enjoyed the Sunday Reset video, and don't forget to check out Sunny in the Suburbs. We'll have her channel link in the description box below, and also don't forget to check out the playlist, all that amazing inspiration, motivation, and all those videos. We'll have a link to that in the description box below as well. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out, and all of our social media will be linked in the description box below as well. And thank you for watching.